Join my masterclass right now for the low price of just $59.99. Yes, you heard it here, folks. $59.99. That, or you can subscribe to One Plate. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of One Plate Gourmet. Today, we're going to take a look at a Middle Eastern cuisine consisting of pita, chicken, pickles, and various other herbs and spices. So without further ado, ladies, gentlemen, and others, let's begin. 1 large chicken breast, some parsley, a bunch of lettuce leaves, 3 petite pickles or Peruvian pickles, 2 lemons worth juicing, 1 tablespoon fresh dill, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, some cherry tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup olive oil, 3/4 cups of Greek yogurt, some salt, black pepper, and 3 loaves of pita bread. Starting from the back with our lettuce, let us cut our lettuce into proper serving portions. Same thing we're going to do with our garlic, but only after crushing it under the weight of our palm, then mince into fine pieces. For the cucumbers, we're going to take 2 of them and cut them lengthwise twice, then by their width into cuboid pieces. As for the last cucumber, we want it smaller for this sauce. We don't want bigger chunks. So let's cut it lengthwise 4 times before mincing away. And then make sure to separate the 2 cuts into 2 different bowls so we don't mix them up. Now let's cut the chicken down to size, shall we? You want the pieces smaller so they cook more evenly in your pan, unless of course you're using an oven to do this, but then why? Next, into the Ziploc bag they go, with the squeeze of lemon juice from 1 lemon, almost virgin olive oil, 3/4 of those garlic you diced up earlier, cumin, paprika, oregano, red pepper flakes, salt, and black pepper. Make sure it's sealed and then just mix it all up together till everything coats everything, then refrigerate for at least 1 hour. With enough oil in your pan, lay your marinade chicken slabs and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or at least until they're done. Then we're going to take them off and let them cool down. While we wait, let's make our sauce. To our finely chopped cucumbers, add your Greek yogurt, the juice from our other lemon, the last of our garlic, and the dill. Then mix it all up vigorously till it looks something like this. Then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Speaking of taste, go ahead and try it. If it's to your liking, congratulations, you did it. With our chicken well rested and cooled, use 2 forks and just shred like you would all those spam mails asking you to take out yet another loan just to pay off the one you previously took out. Then transfer them back to the frying pan and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes with the intention of adding a little more grit to it. Once it's ready, just take it off the heat. Now, if you don't have a big bowl, just part the remaining ingredients in half. So to your cucumbers, mix in your chicken, add your tomatoes, which were cut off screen, and some parsley. Now mix them together and voila. So just repeat the same process for the other half and it should yield enough for 3. If you have a big bowl, you can just do it all together. Take your pita and lather on the sauce like you would lotion on your knees. Then on top, place your chicken mix generously. Then toss on your lettuce. The hardest part about making a shawarma is the wrapping part. So just pay close attention. Pushing the sides like this and boom, like that, it's done. Well guys, it's been fun. So join me next episode where we make something that I haven't decided yet because time waits for no one.
You guys want some fun?